Hi, this is Milan Gaming 96. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the SCPToolkit on PC. So the main objective of this tool is to use the PS3 controller as an Xbox 360 controller. So it will emulate the Xbox 360 controller on your PC. So we're going to pass the download. I have this website in description. It's the GitHub. So we're going to open the executable, the setup. We have to check I agree that license and terms conditions. Click next. Click install. Say yes. Now click finish. Run driver installer. Yes. And now to install this driver, you have to tick the box of DualShock 3 driver and a Bluetooth driver so that you can play wirelessly on your PC. So you need to check this box, wireless Bluetooth, and use here the PlayStation 3 controller, and then make sure to check the force driver installation, and now you can install. So this driver will run on any computer, on Windows computers. Now the installation has been done, so it's done, the installation. Now you have to run this monitor legacy. Let's see. Okay. Exit. Now, as you can see, the DS3 driver is working well, the PS3 controller is working well. Now I'm going to show you that the PS3 controller is working well. Now you can choose here a PlayStation 3 controller, and as you can see, the controller is working well, and the buttons are working well of the PS3 controller. I'm going to show you that the PS3 controller works well with the Bluetooth. So as you can see, the controller is on the SCP monitor. I'm going to take off the cable. Now as you can see, it is connected via Bluetooth. And now if we go to the GamePad viewer, the controller will work and all the buttons are working. And that's it for today. Have a nice one and see you next time.